Alright, hello once again. This is Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And as part of Rankin Technical College's plan to combat the time that we're missing due to the coronavirus, I'm doing a series of presentations. Okay, I did about 5 or 6 presentations yesterday using Balsamiq Mockup to build a simple website. Now I'm creating a mobile application. Alright, and there are 5 screens in here, and so far I've done the first 2. Okay, so I'm up to the transactions screen. You can see it says here last updated. I'm going to change those dates because I just don't like the way that they are. Alright, and I'm about halfway through with this, so I'm on about page 7 here. Alright, so we want this, I'm going to make this a little smaller, and our next page is going to say, come on, mobile deposits. So I want that, I want it to say that. How's that? So let's jump in here. Let's first make this a little smaller. There's nothing wrong with it being 72, except for with what we're doing. It should be smaller. So transactions. And I'm going to put another label, or not a heading. Yeah, we can do that. Because remember, when you type in title, you get a title and a subtitle. I want it to be a subtitle. Alright, and I want this to say, last updated, let's put today's date in. 3/17/2020, 7 o'clock. A.M.CDT, Central Daylight Time. Alright, now it's too big, but that's okay. So first thing, let's go ahead and cut it down. Let's try 16. That looks better, just taking a quick look at it. And let's change the color on that so it's more of a muted gray. Well, we don't want it to be that color. Let's see, that color won't work. How about that? That looks better. Okay. All right. Now, we are going to use this, but we're going to make a bunch of changes, and we won't use this. Also, I left the accounts and deposit right there. Whether I should have or not doesn't really matter. That's just the way I did it. So let's come into here. Let's drag this back out, double click on it. Why? Because I put in the actual text that I used to create this. I made some changes in here. Alright, it should look like this, but I changed some of the dates. I used 225. Let's change this around a little bit. In fact, let's see, am I going to have enough room? Yes, I think I will. I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to just, basically I'm doubling what's here, for lack of better words. Alright, so Auto Club, 2379. Let's make this 3/16/20. Alright. And I want to put each one of these on their own line. Okay? Oh, not like that though. After, let's see. Well, right now, this is not going to look the way I want it to look. But let's just grab this, just the way it is. Let's bring it up here. Paste it in, move over to here. Alright, yeah, like I said, it's not going to at all look the way we want it to look. Okay. Alright. Trying to put every transaction on its own line. That's my goal right here. Now there's repetition in here, so I'll go back and make some changes. I'll pretty it up, for lack of better words. All right. But when I look at that, that looks a lot better. Okay. And in fact, I can just grab it and just take the whole doggone shooting match, as they say, and put it right there. Okay. Again, there is repetition here. Okay, but it's no big thing. I can go back and I can change the dates on this if I want to, etc. And maybe I should. All right, I don't want to make too big a thing out of this, but let's, okay, so we've got here 316. Let's make this 315. 314. 313. We're assuming right now we have one transaction per day, whether that's good or not. 312. All right, here we had, instead of King Burger, let's make it Burger King. All right, and this King Burger, let's just make this, I don't know, Wendy's? What's that? Jeremy's, let's make this Claire's. All right, Home Mort. Let's make that Walmart. And let's make this Home Depot. All right, and one last time, this King Burger. How about Taco Bell? And coffee shop, let's just change this to dry cleaners. Again, there's going to be some overlap here with the prices. I don't care. So 312, 311, 310, 3, 9, 3, 8, finally 3, 7. All right, hopefully that's going to look okay. First one is grayed out. All right, and again, like I said, it by no means, I got to fix these dashes there. Other than that, it doesn't look real bad. So those are the dashes by the word Burger King. There we go. All right, we'll put that right there. Again, by no means is it perfect, but it doesn't look bad either. All right, you'll notice that if I wanted, I could put links all over the place in here. I'm not doing that. Now in my transactions, I don't want this to say transactions anymore. This one should say now, I believe it's mobile deposit. All right, that one will still say log out. I'm going to right mouse click on here and choose duplicate. Again, right mouse click on here and rename to mobile deposit. Let's just change this to mobile, mobile deposit. All right, that's fine. We're going to build this one in our next series here, but we've got here Now that can actually go to mobile deposit, and this is already going to log out. So let's take a look at what we have for our first 3 pages. There's our login. There's our accounts. We can go to transactions. We can go to mobile deposit. And this one will have to change. All right, but we can log out. Okay, looking pretty good as far as I can tell. All right, so when we come back, we will create the next page that's in here. And the next page is this one right here. All right. So we'll have mobile deposit. We'll put in this with a little camera. We've got accounts and deposit still. And again, you know how I've changed mine. Okay, so I'll be back with that in just a couple of moments.